You were here for Mobia Baba, OB4G TV, the name still remain above for our compare. And then the whole Friday, rather than my uncle, Mother Apple, emoji dear for Sunday. Now, what's your dad? A married if you say, for no way. Then say, I'm raining, and I know we're coming a guest on the board. Prophet, Apostle, Doctor, in Ankaja, of God is powerful ministry. Prophet, more cover
so.
Yo.
In fact, when I was so at the Enchakasia, one on watching Chibenchia or Danada, I'm sure you know one on it, anyone on Wagana and crying Tema. That Pia will be out here OB4G TV. Titru, Mamma Docas are war, America, and Nebla, Augustine, Sister Mimi, Anna, Sofo, Ransford, where Pia will be if I go there, didn't check him out. I am proper Nagaja. I will God is powerful church of Ghana. I will Fabi with Chairman can name us or Queen.
Chairman can you have some chairman can you name chairman who can use your form as my bishop for my dog for my time for Bia, me Bobo Dia and a man. May you be different. Maybe if you I have my queen because I refuse. Oh, it's the chair will be out on OB4GT. They make to my culture and say subscribe to the channel OB4GT because a hot enemy my power. A hot enemy my power there. So for your cast of family, Abusian,
Yo, I didn't come that was it. You can't Busian. Busian was an okay. You were Christo Busian. And you won't be Busian. Immediately, I'm coming to
Busian.
Okay, in general.
Because in general, in the Bible, biblical sense of it, yes, you buy or started in a young way, or Shana or started so in a
or started to
pay a sorry fee.
Okay.
No marriage, and mamma papa marriage, and no.
Okay.
And the Obiko, a sorry fee, no come was a use name penny for me to was a catchy. Oh, my man, oh, papa, Irish was now, I can't send me. Anything I may be said,
Yo, without see what question I will be saying. I said, not the papa. Men for going to some bunch of Cassiama, a software time to time, yeah. Omutai made a chibom piper. Eddie omnipedia, a sermon that yes, programming. A radiman almost ran a cassette. Danny da, a radiman for so made the na what was answer question
as I'm going to pass on before
na I am going to so business because the Ghana no be as a revolution say ma me man me niano and then no say you can go according to Bible no say me ye bury me bush ya me here e dey nkan no me ye bury me there me bush ya e me here oba me ma ware no and me mama wo mo me bushia na true o obama ware ne o mama wo mo na e na bushia no obi biera ni honhun ni honhun e be ba ko nya mu no o ka ho o ya bushia ni ya
obi biara wo honhun
just nipa biera me ne honhun e be ba ko e wo Kristo mu no o ka me ho
na ho mu so e
wona mu de se ni ye mu na mu de obi o be se ni bia yo bushia ni o de ko ni pesuma na say Ashanti kingdom ne because o ma me ba o ma me eni aba but nyankopon mu no nipa o yo bushia first ayo yire ana o ma san
so for as ma ka de me e kaka nyankopon mu nipa o yo bushia ayo yire
ana ona o maka hu
na Yesu
Davido o busa say nyankopon mu Yesu de onu ni mi wiase nyina ma oh ase na obuja no tie ni yo Yesu ye mi wura ana me ka ade nkwa ono oye mi de mi wura mi dan no
nti wo dan na de asa wo obusua
oh na Yesu wo hu no ha mi biso ase mo Yesu na mi gini ya obi a mi nim no na wona ba ko no ono ni mi Yesu nti o mi mambo Yesu ma
nti unim mi na asia unim mi na ateme nka mi yo Yesu ana
abro ma tu nka no hu ma wo mu Bible so hu mu ja dance se ye nyame ba di ba bia hu so ye nyame ba hu ma wo mu na ba bia hu esu ni akoma pa adwempa niema wo de na di mani pe hu se we Kristo bi tiri mu ene mi de ka bo mu a ana hu se wo ye Yesu ana wo yo onyankopon ma me
Nti now me met my Yesu.
Yes. Kwa ba no be so wa Yesu. Usuba ya obodo na di anima pa wo mu a ude na di tra foforo no. E ba udam Nyankopon wo mo.
And say Yesu susu be ye wo obusia.
Ah. Emi ga dem so. E dem ga do so u ka Yesu do wo soro na. E wo so ono no ke. Ono ni wa wo ti a wo hwa mi ana se wa wo hwa mi.
Wasese wa anya ama.
Wa anya ama wo nua no. Wa anya ama mi Kristo. E dem se Yesu no ono wa mi hu wo me ye ma wo no. Wa mi hu wo me ye wo ye no. Woni me busia. Ni ma me ba o. E ni ma me ba bi o, me ba mi ba o. Me owo me ne no. Ono nya no dokume. Ma no hu me ba ye. Ndi me ba ka se ono ni mi nua. Dad me mi ntia se be ye wo ba mi ye. Na ono ma bi me ko ba ko. Ye bi so na me wo nukurem. Ono mi nua. Ono ma busia.
Yes.
Me ba to mu da ho. E di so bi sha mi sakre ya. Bible say wo na wo se urade. Ono e ko so amen. E ka se be bu indase.
The time me made by the topic that I me tackle. The time the father angle, your family as in Christianity. Because Nyankopon kaze was a set was a nebusuane honor or dignity.
Yes.
Enti so honor dignity near see at Christo. Near see Christo anamo. And until you see a Christian yeah. Let's say o Christo ni dia obusuya.
I agree.
Christo for.
Yes.
Yeah me boy.
Yes.
It is all Christo ni. Na say what we are marriage. Now said the Christian council and I said the Christian as a whole. Doesn't mean say
Bible so no me nka obi odi no to ni paso. Fasha wa dwum wasa. So we Kristo ni mapa. Na Kristo siti umu a. Ohun ni paso e nipa ba to re na ni mu. Ohun ni paso umia. Ohun ni se o yonko. Ohun ni se obi bia no but ure nhye ni mu eki. The entire kid is a Christo say no me nka obi a odi no to ni paso. So who the radish who want to radish wa. Only person will near prayer because Bible say nipa near prayer.
Dabio me to the organization nipa near prayer. We are mabusia. As Christianity
abusia.
Abusia bia so odwene welfare.
Yes.
Well-being.
Yes.
Na say abusia no etimi edane wo welfare to be your pain as general.
Mama nka say me jo ndem di nka say
me ka go si asem bi so say ye wo Christian ye wo some churches bi wo ha wo koya oba ho ade wo fie na so an koya wedding na even the pastor in the church will never come.
Na Bible no can say so fu ye nipa so so fu awu nkwase ngo tie ye pa Bible no say
no asem na me say you
okay
ya so say enipa wo de wo gidie be wura no bia na obeye wo nyame enti say wo gidie wura mu a me be wo nyame enti now me gidie wo sofo no as ye kendefo no instantly no obeye me nyame enti say me nyame no enso frustrate me say my ntimi an ye oba no wedding na all accept the relationship no e wa sorry me even all like all my wedding na
the Bible no ya twa wedding wo tieni yo mi ye ne o ka no o fa no no mani oba o nti ase Bible no ye twa wedding wo bo ade ne aka bom
they are there na de mi enu
e aka bom e ye word ade oh and this say ade a any Bible mu no e ma so bum plutum fa nsem e te wa gen Yesu a Kristo no kan say so be no obere ma bi ana oba bi ne so ne kondo no a onko tu ni trade onko no me na busua o kan say we dey the some ka tell say asori na me down no because obo ka say oba ye obi one dey no ide ye wedding na so for onim ye o ka me wo ba me bisa o say wo di tum say oba me o do no oba no do no odo ene dey wo na kire mu wi a ansa me wo kwa me sha so no me kan just wedding the obo pe because wedding wedding na bibia a knack of knowledge in India ni penny and ye create say a wedding
ana me bisa say Bible na so ka say be ma hu oba na so be
hu oba
be na ne
kondo na opportunity trade ma na bisu
na we zu wedding nzu be to mu sabe
e ya so fo ni bi ni school ni na di obuko wura asa na me da dia me kan ma sanke agina nya juma
moto we dia obi a dia yo
asofo bebre pe amani baby ko bu nsam de kwade ni ujeriye
me too
Bible says sinti dia de beba na de nam so beba no nie
stand up before Jesus me twa stand up before Jesus the name still remain above for back. The topic for today now I'm appear there be drew hand. It is dragging the people, most of the youth ni na do mo hwias because of youth ni be brain person be why and a drama more basa and no more because simply because I saw the be wo ha so one kwa wedding na or accept even marriage no or recognize you are sorry no kra and asking yourself say and now your young guy now so so your wedding now only less than 20,000 or forget about the wedding and we say I say that amount of money you can start up your life can do a very useful thing in your life but at that time over 22 days and so the family we call the so-called family we call church will force you to put you down.
My man can't enjoy. As I the workers and me say we young can catch.
Yes.
Me wale on. It wasn't only 5 years.
5 years.
5 years ago. Now, when the shaman didn't go one day with you.
Yes.
And the man didn't get me on for.
Until then I go wedding.
Until meet him. You know, because of one and so for 600 years of one years of the enemy wedding of wedding. A wedding, mammy. No, so one man, it's a bit of the Kenya Bomne Strasso. Is there? On the cannot be back, but the head one again is here no. Now, sir, why had the step what is often kind and make count? Indeed, me call the vehicle here, I'm not saying you because I not me. Because your mamma is almost no. Now, my short of money.
Money short.
If you start to say me wedding, nobody wedding in present, I'm not confused. I don't want to do it. I am here.
Why now? I am here. But now, I say, okay, about one day in this Christian world, dear woman now. Okay, about one day, me. Or 4 bands or the new coffee you cry, but I just somewhere anyway.
Now, why didn't you hear? I want to know. I didn't know. And it's over the up for the pressure side to love be said. Me mama dey say wedding I can organize the dia new because me say now one day
oh back to my
and me trust you no say say wedding cry in kwasi ade cause any bible mu tie yo any bible mu awurade asem enkasa ma wedding ho bible say obere ba bi hu oba bia na ne kondom a onkotu ne dread man na nja ade na so for dan is asem we say one day wedding now, it
bounce back to say the family, the so-called family we call church, and also harass we the youth now mobile.
Oh, baby,
yes,
I'm the audience.
Yes, because and now Quran is so, and now we bet me will be getting just 10 million. Wait, my this can I be? I'm more making a life, but we bet me about bossing 100 million, 200 million. No, that quite wedding or ban no ban.
Oh, but that's
no, I bet that jail. And to be some say. The church is the church helping the youth.
Oh, I wanted the I saw one of my shank from your wedding the Oma Mongrove. I didn't hear me show. You was all said, yeah, now, when you're telling the old parents why you're ready.
Yes.
Because I don't be doing so much shot, sorry, but say, your wedding. Because the Bible will never did everything.
Now, I didn't a church, who you are pastor, and the question.
Oh, yes, we say,
man of God, a prophet and apostle. I will rank, meaning, say, on level of. Indiana was so until I'm a person who pushes our question.
Young
class, a question.
Obi, you know, I said,
the idea may push our question.
Okay,
now, the family, church and I be my family.
Yes,
you want to deal with family, Muntin, I say, okay, me the other dance church and I said, I'm a yes, and the church and then the end say, or the Buamia, my memory want to. Yes, I said, where did you ban church and I ain't man so my way, and I let you say, Yawari and Koran. I saw a few days when I say I want to create new. My main cousin, I was some now, or cast or by who bear man, or by fan or the Nakofi now, or cook on my one year near you. Let's say, oh, my year, not what new.
My main cousin, Joe. I saw for a word in a benefit or more.
The danger.
A benefit of say. Say, your wedding was sure what. Saturday is often didn't get
yes. We didn't got to correction.
You didn't correction battery, Adam. And I fall. Now, Cooper, sorry, I am funny there. dia ga ho ade enye sofo
yes
okay emfa no nto nchen ama obi wo ho a oye nipa na onwini huhu o ga asoro we die emu ode okwa onekuru ntem okwa enche kwano ne be mamra ye ho ade edini ndime ko bi
yes
edi exactly dom the breast of
yes
uje dia toso 3 ema obi a uze sofo ye good because what we man krofonya ware
yes
but ni nyina ye nipa tibia nipa su na mesu
ozuzu senka asofo ne involve themselves in the fie die no aye koye no fie die and na komoma e fie die no kra aye more of public na enka no so beboa because ene no emema ne bebre wa abonten a mo pese o mo ware but o mo sura ware because no bi say madam for bi say ovi ka be na ada ware basi ye me ntu susu nya 1 billion na me ware o
I don't know because where they know who
can kwa be 300 million
so see am no ke so bezo yo ba ho de na ko pata de wedding gown na once a crop say 3,000
yes
na bu say 3,000 say e dey 3
o bi get
ni ma me ni emu ma nyina e dey 3 no
yes
o de ko yo ba ba ko be ho de oba no so ba akoto ka na ba fi o to be na atia
untimi ntua say
anu nti na me ka che Ghana for say hwe wo ho na ni ugu me show ma sorry ba say your wedding me say wari bebre so a e pia wari anu awurade ni so sa wade no kura che wedding because so poso di Kristo ji ya hwe Kristo na mo no ne tutu na sisi
hwe Kristo na mo no tutu so we are talking about family na ne apeke the aspect of church as a family and they discuss family as a family yanko family as blood family say many yefunu me yefunu the blood family ye ka sa family ni kura anything
me yefuma and me family
yes
me blood
yes
it be my sister I want me bushia what you say
yes me ma me awo 6
me ma me awo 6
enti kura 6 no eh mabushia
we mabushia
enti
we ba wo 10
yes
and kula 10 ye mabushia and no near bushia eh
blood
yes
and in whereby the blood family name you are being discriminated and also so what kind of illusion is that
na ze entiase ni
as a woman the you of
oh tie mami kanse wa ha enipa dum de ni ya ni de ne pe
yes
tie ni e ba awurade nim de ntie bi ye yiwa frisa busuo no hwe abusuo bi awurade yi ba ko wom papa ma ye tana awurade yi kwa champagne na wom
yes
one
before I say abusuo bi a mensa
wom edi kwa champagne na wom
and me tire mu yes mensam enya mensam e mensam memansam you go say do e memansam no da bi en kwasasam ye sika na otwe en obutwa
yes
na mensam yes
enu ti se awurade yi wa unueru nyina nya de no ya la adwe won ye bi ho because adwene na awurade di ma won
o de ne
different to be sure se sia no ma hwini ya o ma na ye 10 onko na ta bi ye takre wo aye di edi woni ma awurade di adom wo free so wae obi ntimi nsan ni ta ena awurade nso ma wo ho akukobru mo to be protected because oyire wo will be BM ye twunko ba bi na wo twon de wo o ti ase obiara ni destiny uje me from my utwam ena na awurade nsa wona me so me ma me ka me lifestyle ma wa na ko mo twam ma me life story awa ha wo me ho because you ebe bi be mo say awurade ahye wo yafunu na ede ni mo ja te ho na unu ya awurade nsa na ne ntake no ono wade me ba ko anya possible because aduna wade nam ene de wade nam no difference wo one me many bri ya se de pade me ne bri se me nyanko one two uwo bibia me mfa ho me wade na me nya te se me mfa nko che me ma me no na me ye me ntije ko be jo me ba jaw
or be che de se fa
ye che me se me nko che me ka ko che no me de no eno di me daw me te wa me nyine die be sie ho ye me dwene se re mama me nko asa me de bi zo agin de sa e bi odun wo bi zo sisi adan obatu to cash obatu to akwan uje ye sani pa we eno amebe obatu di hasi ade ndro ndi hasi Because a shoe and a home a 2 mono. A different. But I saw this at the show. A do the bus of the Emu
now, no, Nasano, a Busiana woman. One Casamatu Busiana.
And you're going to push you free of Busiana, no, baby. Oh, you share Bible, no, ye pa. Only be ready choosing any more covenant to be out this year.
But this year, yes, and as awful. Still, how before GT, one thing big bomb, yeah, just said, if you did, you are before GT, because made the back way example. Moses.
Okay.
Moses.
Okay.
Moses na odon ko twa
Moses and I didn't a man go free for
yes. Joseph and an nuanom no ka tell say
on don
sata na nuanom ba ko busia
papa ba ko yemu ba onon ko no ofri
yes
on take no grono so no mu ti ofri ti ofri no on gba grobo for ba no ba so say wa man nyina mfi grobo no ko la ponchen
Joseph no
and
David is you ofri o
say ni enu so say onu so enu de onu so takara no on say o hwe nyame in seven scriptures now nipa bia wo ye kesi bia no
wo dem
so ye different wo awiase na asase so o ti ase
because bin twa no David so e true say on hire ne ba ye de ba beto obusuan so papa na ebobọ ma no wa ho David di it is our obusuan na ye ebobọ na ya modi a ka hu say wo nyankopọ do asi special or reason ti o do asi because ye hwehwe wo wo physical world ni hu but in the spiritual realm we see you. Because Obaya was saying, woman in our hand, with a me boa question. Oh, you're marrying in our hand. Was a man back on you, know that Henderson. Was a no, yet I heard you, yes, no, yet I heard you, yes, no. Was a radically fear, and I mean, found was running was the money in and was where sure some money in was any and was an unsure be your idea in 10 minutes. And son of Papa Kai said, no ba ku bi on de me nya sure say radio to su no da sere so ho o hwe nwan no pataku no mo ba ono na ne wo ko wada ne abo bi wo wura mu ho mfa so bi ani ne so nti bi a me nua ba me nua be ma wo hwe no ebedum de bi no na the family has neglected you bia mfa nka ho wo like your father so the way useless oh way kwa na kwasam pani no mo fra na manamba on hu nyansa bia meka nyansa sem bia wa ye kasa kwa no mani nka bi onem nyansa that honorable say the chosen one the kasa the chosen one eno ne okase no has chosen you and ma wa bamu because we with God everything is possible prophet yanko
almost the last bi me no kasa ma me ka to say wo ona ye ba bia choose wo ana wona ya fra wo choosing is different. Choosing the by force here. Choosing you will grow for me was as we are. Or choosing one from childhood. Near choosing. See, I have blood. You have brought the apana. Oh, you come up go. Over for the choose the so moon or the one song said I don't know to know. Sell before GT. Mamma girls have been told you will pray for me. Catch it on mammy. Oh, be shabby sabre and nipping in our pool. Why is stranded? But everybody in the Kuta. Everybody choose to see him. And your 10 years, any question you do. And somebody question a canton so you can. And the year, any question the young, and the young, we are choosing one. Yes. We know who's out here. Who are going to me, Prophet Nadia. I am me telling you my life more. Me who's a young because. Bruma de me just Yankopon obey we as no or the bebu nko na be nanti you. Oh yes of course. Because edru baby na oko asori fi. Okay. No mo to correction. No we pay no pay 3 Kagana 3 billion Canada Japan. Adu akofo 8 billion also da betu. Mahama 13 billion also da betu. Obo for 1 Ghana cedis na mo da betu. No ma ka tell say akoyo de 1 Ghana cedi da betu mo so what you say. Obezo be di asore that man ye the billion two man the 1 Ghana two na nyankopon sore ya oba no abeso 1 Ghana cedi sike no apija de akoso se 1 Ghana cedi we eno ne so nani na omu wo sike ni nyina nso nani oh be wo ye indase mo yes die ye ndie ye indase ne se Sa 1 Ghana cedis no ni bi da ba bia bia.
Yes.
Apart from that 1 Ghana cedis no, every no okobu adako.
Yes.
Tie ni ofirimu na ho hiam de howo. Oh.
Yes.
Uje.
It's ba.
Di Yesu Kristo ni na so ko ni na no. Ebra Yesu ko ina chi no. Awurade me hye nkrofo we na say hwefo ni de no nam. Na na obabi ti kwa ho sra de. Na o pray. Say, mama misika mfoto bibini. Ezo ko le ka say, ye di misika de ke de bi o.
Yes.
But di wo. Ani de ma. E wo Nazareth ni Yesu din.
Sorry na.
So obi wo biribi no o de ma. Na bi ni ba bia, o twe ni nipa bia na. Wo se wo ni mu.
Yes. Obi wo bibi. O ni bibi wo ne nsam de mawa. Na so wo hwe ne nipa dua no ma hu sa ade no e wo ni mu. Obi pese wo ma ade no ni bia be so gina ha. Aso wo tutu ndo. Ade mai come de no.
Utimi so
oni bi but utimi se owotima se ode bema
Philippines
so bi susu owotere ka mu bi a range over cancer oha ni pa na sa kofo mu kro mu je ha no mama ha ifie je ne ko
the way oye papa
hwe ni mu
in the Bible say ye papa ye mpo ye ntuma go fi wo Kristo ni so one day I want to see.
Yes.
Uje ade na wo ma no se oya aboa bi onye nipa bi ni ho hia bi oyobia bi ndi wo sika na obi ba on jene se e kom de no a muni se e betwa to kira bi
ni esofo na se wa hwe ya asori bi a mi pese mo godi o mu nipa dodo o mo ka se wa ya 14,000 something and something e be ko ha be ni ade wa hwe be nukuro
o na ko
de nti ameka sa ne se
e na nukuro da
de me de ka asem na se ade de ameka sa ne se Christopher ye ni aye Christopher no ase ye Christianity na ye nyaatwo nhwehwe ni made ebinum menka de nyina ebinum de aye nhwehwe ni made nyaatwo ne ma ye nyeme nhwe ho a because enka obi kwa akoto correction kura enka first no na ye de o ma ye ba ase o kwa ru nse ugro made kuta bia na de ato ene de ene glass e transparent nti wo dan ato mu no o de to mu ase kwa na abeti ane ku
Onega se binjawa. Nya tu sulu nyene ne resta tu. Yesu Kristo ta na ho.
No.
Ah yes. Yeah. Wasi mo nya tu mfo mpo ni nyema mama. Na mo ja obo mo. Ujeriye. Manya tu ntuzi ndi because Kristo na mu bai no. Na ho. Kristo fo ni nya tu mo ye must. Omo ye 100%. But Bible mo manya tu ntra odo.
Entra odo. Ye manya atwom tra odem asem no modu
yes mo manya atwom entra odom
ene ne babura
so ye Kristo ni ma papa nya atwom su ni o ya dia wo twene nse ebe mi ato nti se wo ye gidi ni ese wo ye mani ye fe ujeliye eno na akwa ma na we asofo bebrebe mu no
yes
eno we asofo bebrebe mu pro mo se o mo no me papa Bible say the nipa di ni hwe no Kristo won hwe ni woni pa akoma mu an wo hwe
so for boy invite na baka ya no unu level nti wo ma wa so bi a na wo ya meka wa nya class a se me ko bwa ni
what you say
some say na me adwuma ne ya ma ye ho ana se ya mo
so what you say adenji na bi eni ba veru no se wo sene obi be me du no he ba no do ofu play bi ko do America wa kwe
nko ba bia
ofuri an ko do Russia wa kwe
nko
adenji na ni ba pre ho bibie ni yasi we mu aye pepepe o
abida
wa ka se wodi pedua no hwa won sakra ene pepepe
yes
edi unsa udi nkan na unui Yesu Kristo bro ka tene chidifo wo se wona wodi nkan na bedi to
yes
edi unsa wodi nkan a eye ntubwase na hobrase ene odoni ndisanka menyansa entraw ni pedua so na unu se ni oye nipa wadu ho no be lo sa ho ah na Yesu obetu obi
because as Yesu oba e no fa hobrase fo nko me read the Bible no omo e Nyankopon fa o mi na e neglected souls omo ana ni pa
reject o
ya reject o mo
okay
omo na nyame fa o David was rejected
okay
okay Joseph was rejected ye fa
okay
Moses was rejected na abusuano hu se baby e ko no
ano de
nti
ye hunu na o kura
ya
yes
enso so baby on so kopie
yes
me ni say adata ma busu ene dwane e na omo to no twene
okay
onko no no ango live in fit nti me nua ba ma wo hwe me se okwa hu yihim ade bi to wani pressure bi hia wa sata mo no ma wani nye me na ri bo ne nyum ase ma wani nye se o Kristo so o Kristo o wade prophet nyakanya yanko
ya ma me kan se bi jo ade abo me ogesie pa e faith
yes
ina won me ni na ebu ma baba ma twa free faith o no bro be say without faith no one can see God.
Yes, it's true.
Me every boy dear me pa me sada no me meje me hu ediba me tu ano me nya reward o na me ni bi so da
Yes.
papa mo boni mo I believe in God.
Me nya me ani o papa mo boni mo
Adiba ko ye pa ne se wa ya ade bi ko du love bi hu se kedi me ko yi na udi e short time ni ma be bom
ogu na aji agu
wan hwe ya
wontimi nye bi
wan nyina ya
wontimi nye
unya ni pa bi
yes
ma bro
wabre
but everybody no matter what break to me
yes
so unya hu se everybody do ko level bi and odobi ko level bi a bompa se everybody nya hu so die sa en sheti bia obi wo mu ne mfansere no
yes
en obi wo yehia bia akọ mu ne en sere se nyame na twanika
yes
na bia everybody ke jeba wo so ndimi so di
wontimi sore bi o enya hu ye bia na yaketua
dabi
ebi ye nsore ebi
tu jo
yes
ebi atu di bebebe ebe tu atu ne na wo de be de
we o
anta wo ba che mi wo hwe mu asua hwe na sua se a commitment do ne na ready say say ni dia bro
yes
ubadu di dia me ne a che commitment do so onya hu sa wo da wa wo ti wa wani mbere di obi wo wo hwe di obi edem na busuo na ko fo so nkokum nipa enkope bi
me say pastor prophet me say my teacher Mark Animi into the legend SDA gospel singer the BM teacher
makani
obonyu do say me ba brana me to kan se me hin ka se me jo afidie pa esi wona ne fe se afidie no na adefo na etue sika ekoto na adefo ene ne kohwe woni sika na afidie na untimi hwe bi ene hwe afidie na aseye esi wa aye mfutro obi adruwa no atwam obi atimi to ball aguso obi atimi ye ne tatata na asem na no de kan na nipa etie na nyom melody ne de wona so but na ye prophecy nyankopon fa ne so de o pa kire se ye wo legend bi o mo ba Ghana yemfa Professor Evans Fifi Atamios na o ye citizen na person ko hu president da this will follow protocols be brave and send what menya access to the president owu ye bede dan no o person ko he body na this will follow protocols be brave and send what me de wani kura akohwe better ne ye de na kwashefo ama haban ena etiguni na so
aba na egohwe no
ena emfuturo edini na so agoro ene obi amfa nkogina nchen ensalutu ni bio obi nkonko salutu Rollins funu bio obi nko salutu Gaddafi funu bio obi nko salutu Aliu Mahama funu bio obi nko salutu Amisa Ata efunu bio obi nko salutu Sir John ni funu bio yen enyansa kasa na na meka kire obi ohame yam fanto ya adwene se ewiase na wo ho no ewo ni wura ne wura no oje na ade at the time wa ka wani eguso papa kala so na enye na ni kwa mani kura toto because ewiase no
so shocked today.
yes because ewiase ni pa ya ne se ne dia be Gaddafi eye se Libya eye ne man obiara ni wa obetima kwanka no but twedesi ono an citizen nebi he was convinced shutu lukuni Edu so wo dwane no gatem no ko hye. Se wo ma wo so a ebedu time a so dwane no gatem na akwa hye. Na wo refize limousine na udem. Air condition na udem no. Jacuzzi na udem no. Afedi e ompemu na bi wo gatem na abepe for your hiding sake. Papa yanko.
Me da sipa wo enzema odi ebe. O say o je Bible scriptures now. Obi man ho mane so dane abo.
Yes.
Nebuchadnezzar obo na kasi sem nyina no. Odane abo ko de wura.
Obu be pa so. Nyame de say example to say nipa nsua ko brase. Africans, we don't have humility spirit in us.
And then you flow nipa. And they were taking from
Adie.
Do we are one? Black or Joe, say, I'm from me now to you. And they were taking from Adie. Then you didn't ask. The maker told us, for whom Christ now won't do. You're more than all. Let's see him here, yo. Adie ba ko me mani abri wo so pa ne se me ma me kra ene bonsam dia.
Yes.
Me pa me nya me da ko se me wo.
Yes.
Me bi me na dia o me mesika ntom yo.
Adie we say nipa de fashion o my dream say ene kwa de mo fa WhatsApp status. Me the example we ma wo. Obi o hwe me bia. Hwe o contact so, nipa system. E wo contact no so. Hwe obi a status out of the system no. Ubetime nyemu be 5 a omudi owu poster aye omo status enipe wu ti se no ma sata mi enipe wu sata enwe so de dia homa so awura ye jeje wo wiase ade
Bible say wona woni mi nyankopon be so na ni nyankwa mansam gakra mi di twatwo nyina ma wona ne se Ewadi hia wate.
Yes.
Hia bra Yesu nche na abedi de.
Yes.
Ono na mani patimitena se abrawo mu.
Yes.
Ono mani onni bie. Ti same. Bitimi nya bie.
Yes.
Enne ye no nwa mi man go school bia o. Mi SS dan do mi ni bia be hu se si wo dan mo hu. E twa mi ngura bi mu da. Se mi nsu ade order. But already mi ni jeni pa e bia 2000 3000 ni.
Yes.
Adentia because me the one man say onye your pay.
Yes.
Open your heart to God. And bawa gene open enye bibia. Jem Merade. Jadi owo nu Merade. Dia wodu nsa tim so no. Ebedu brebu nsa tim so na be wu jem.
Yes.
Oje die.
Oje die.
Obi na wiese de pade nyina no ne kra. Fa so pai. Obinya. Ebe na wa kwantrum na wo hwem sabre. Ebe na wa maname. Uko e wo yire wo ye adwuma kiri. On zo diskebe afie mbo se fo bi adie. Wa hwe Yesu. Eya na mi ye o. Nipa yire wo ye adwuma tene. De oye nyina chi no.
Ye jaako.
No jaako. Ningaza nya adwuma.
Ye be pre awiase de pade sa na ewu jaako.
Wo de nya Yesu. Fa Yesu ma me wate. Wo de fa Yesu so yonko wadamfo. O papa wo fa. Unia oyire oba our life man. Obisi na me ko fa Yesu no Yesu nya ba me be fa no. Tie. Wo de ka me ni machi. Ka so ro Yesu.
Ura Yesu.
Ena no pay.
Ena no pay.
Me do fa me fa se me kra.
Me fa se me kra.
Ene ma chemko.
Ene ma chemko.
Hu me mo bo. Se ne wado ya tie. Me boni nyina mu.
Boni nyina.
Entame ntwene. Kame ho. Na so me mu. O Yesu di o. Amen.
Amen.
Rodin sha. Onka ho. That Sunday ye share wo Fabi. Tabe Fabi ho. Gas opposite one. Udi osia. So wo gas for no one across braha. O cross kwa na ram straight.
Kwa na mugusu na.
Number na ogbonze there 2 TV so na. Eguasie wa fa number no. Eye 0546 85 73 80 0546 85 73 80 and now say 0248 69 8742 Prophet Nyankeja.
Prophet Nyankeja number. That's the name of the CEO of OB4GACB. My God, we never feel this. Because I don't know before, and why aggressive, sir. For testing there 3, started my aggressive. My aggressive because we are sending a band and say, I answer Sayajina, he do and he was you, and nobody else will call, and nobody else will call. What shall profit a man if he gains the whole world? The name still remains for. The chair for Prophet Apostle Dr. Dan, the chair, Papa, God bless you. Apostle Randy Cosmos, God bless you, evangelist. Prophet Dr. David Chemi, Papa, God bless you. Pastor Ransford, Apostle Ransford, Apostle
Oko, Papa, I salute you. Anna, Pastor
Reverend Yaps, Papa, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
And then Jack is your mommy. Our woman crew, dear, about campaign, Misha. Tamacho media.
Yeah, and the chair, my dear Bishop for you now. I jump for Bishop, Munina, the chair, Apostle, and my own man, Mechanism, Apamiame. God bless you.
Oh, Gunta. Apamiame.
The giant with that.
Mamma Cherry, Mamma Douglas, America. And Sister Mimi, bloggers.
And Channel,
Abruso.
There's obedience, they want to know, Kwame, you know, or Bokli. At the assembly, or one of 3, the assembly back of you, assembly,
or no, they didn't need.
You will be the say, oh, Gianwa didn't answer if he said, what come on the Buswa? Now, Bruce, we are son, and now, what they are, and I say, I already showed you the name still remember.